Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how we can build Snowflake schema. Now first of all, let me show you what Snowflake schema is. So as you can see, we have all these tables: the AW sales, the product category, product subcategory, and the product lookup table. Now if you see carefully, we have already a connection, we have already a relationship between the products lookup and AW sales by this product key. They both are in this tables, right? Now if I talk about, let's say if I want to connect this AW sales with the product category lookup table, we cannot really do that. Why? Because the product category key is not there in our AW sales data. Same for this one, you can see AW subcategories, this subcategory key is not there in our AW sales data. So we cannot really connect these two tables directly with our AW sales data. Here comes the Snowflake schema. So in Snowflake schema, what we do is basically, if you see this, so first of all we have the AW sales data and the product key is connected with this product key on the AW product lookup table, right? Now to build a Snowflake schema, what we will do, in the product lookup table we have the product subcategory key. So what we will do, we will create the relationship between this subcategory key to this subcategory key, and then in the subcategories lookup table we have the product category key, and this product category key we will connect this, or we will create a relationship from this product category key with the product category key in the product category lookup table. So this is how we build the Snowflake schema. Now let me quickly go to Power BI and show you how we can build this. Alright, so here we have all this four tables, which is AW sales, and if I go find in AW sales data, we don't have anything like a product category key or a product subcategory key. So what we will do, we will take this product lookup table to create relationship between these two tables. So first we have the product subcategory key. We will connect this one with the product subcategory key in our subcategory table. So here comes the relationship. You can see this is made it to 1, and then we will create another relationship between this product key to this product category key. So we will take this one and we will drop it over here, and you will see this relationship is made already, and this relationship is actually, all these tables are now connected with the AW sales data. So this is how we create the Snowflake schema. So that's it for this session. We will see you in the next lecture.